Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
With the authority send-off of CurveDAO in August 2020, it is as yet acquiring some notoriety in the crypto market in light of its organization and the Curve.fi thought. Around then, as the stage was new to the crypto business, there were no particular updates. The ongoing position of the CRV coin is number 83 in the top virtual monetary standards available, with a market predominance of 0.04%. However, it has been slacking in framing a phenomenal diagram for the financial backers and brokers. We should see what is happening in the Curve finance world and what is the CurveDAO token cost expectation for the impending years. How about we initially comprehend what Curve.fi is? It is a decentralized trade stage improved for low slippage and low expense trades between resources fixed to a similar worth. The Curve is an AMM, automated market maker, depending on liquidity pools and remunerating those hubs who store the pools. The main thing which is its restriction is that it just arrangements in stable coins. This opens new choices for dealers looking for exchange valuable open doors and liquidity suppliers who procure an exchanging charge and interest expense. CRV is the administration badge of Curve money, and paying liquidity providers is utilized. The inventory of CRV tokens will grow up to 3 billion after the tokens are altogether circulated to liquidity suppliers. The DAO or Decentralized Autonomous Organization oversees changes to the decentralized conventions. The CurveDAO token gives casting a ballot rights to the holders of the local token. The CurveDAO token can be purchased or procured through yield cultivating, i.e., when somebody stores resources into the liquidity pool, they procure tokens as a prize. Yielding the CurveDAO token likewise builds the motivating forces to turn into a liquidity supplier, as you additionally have responsibility for DeFi convention. Bent DAO token market sentiment. The Curve is one of the most well-known stages in DeFi, decentralized finance. It favors dependability and composability over unpredictability and hypothesis, because of which they can offer low slippage utilizing stable coins. With the CurveDAO token as its administration system permitting clients the democratic freedoms, its composable components well established into the DeFi environment, it offers clients all the power for what it will be utilized for in DAO. Yet, there is an inquiry that is as yet not replied, i.e., what is the ideal method for drawing in with the DeFi environment? There is certainly not an ideal solution to this, essentially for the time being, yet the CurveDAO token intends to limit expenses, slippage, and ephemeral misfortune through an engaged pool of resources. Conversely, other automated market makers mean to expand liquidity for different tokens. Clients can choose which conventions to utilize and in what design, and everything relies upon the client's requirements of the environment. Specialized analysis of CurveDAO token, CRV. The cost of CurveDAO CRV has been moderately steady for the last year. Subsequent to dropping from the highs since the send-off, CurveDAO has attempted to bring down its instability and keep up with a portion of the momenta. It took CurveDAO token, CRV, quite a while to become steady, illuminating its cost range. However, presently it seems as though it has turned modestly negative. The Bollinger Bands examination shows that the cost was unstable during the primary quarter of the last year. In the wake of going through a revision stage, it denoted a moderate recuperation and afterward enrolled a colossal meeting during the last year's end. There is consistently a likelihood that the market will go down after bullish energy, and it is typical for the digital currency market. Thus, merchants sought to continuously investigate the crypto figure prior to effective money management for the following couple of years. Subsequent to recording a critical leap, the CRV token has denoted a precarious fall starting from the start of this current year. In March, the CurveDAO token cost confronted a rectification, and in the wake of hitting a low of around $1.90, the token denoted a recuperation. This cost development took its costs to the most exorbitant cost of $3, and afterward it enlisted range-bound exchanging. From that point forward, the CurveDAO token CRV denoted a sharp fall which took its cost underneath $1.50. Somewhat recently, The CRV cost again confronted remedy and tumbled to the low of $1.11. After the underlying fall just after the send-off, CRV is still no place at its unsurpassed high. It hasn't been that since a long time ago its fall, and there are still possibilities for the Curve Dow token to be a wise venture. Nonetheless, until the cost breaks flood past the $3 high, it can't be expressed whether there's an opportunity for the Curve Dow token, CRV, to shape a decent trendline. Our information models recommend that the future cost could exchange inside the scopes of $1 and $4 with the ongoing cost direction. Assume there's a significant cost volume activity that will shoot up the cost of CRV above $4 later on. All things considered, the likelihood of Curve Dow shaping an amazing bullish pattern line increments altogether. In the above diagram, the cost of the Curve Dow token has remained close to the 50-day dramatic moving normal for as long as year. In January of last year, a significant cost volume activity sent the cost level well above $3. As the accumulation distribution pointer shows, there was a lot of gathering during the start of the last year. The accumulation distribution indicator implies no collection at the ongoing cost. Be that as it may, this ought not be treated in a serious way, as there is no critical major sign to back up this cost opinion. Since the CRV is a somewhat new token, the market still can't seem to find its true capacity. At the point when that occurs, the probability of Curve Dow being in the main 85 most noteworthy positioning advanced coins will decisively increment. The typical exchanging cost today is $1.11. The ongoing business sector cap is $546,469,823 and 24-hour exchanging volume is $145,418,084. Bent Dow Token Price Prediction 2022. As per Curve Dow Token Cost Forecast, the normal cost of the Curve Dow Token, CRV, will be $1.46 in the year 2022. The cost range for the whole year would be between $1.38 to $1.57 according to the cost expectation for 2022. Bent Dow Token Price Prediction 2023. According to CRV Cost Forecast, the normal cost of the Curve Dow token will be $1.60 in the year 2023. The cost range for the whole year would be between $1.49 to $1.76. The base cost would be $1.49, and the most extreme cost would be $1.76. Bent Dow Token Price Prediction 2024. As per CRV cost expectation, the typical cost of Curve Dow token, CRV, will be $1.69 in 2024. The cost